you a crowd puller? Is your passion your life? If yes, and you believe in you and your talent, then Maruti Suzuki Colors of Youth is the biggest and greatest platform for you today. Today, CTC is witnessing India's biggest talent hunt for versatile and talented youth. That is Maruti Suzuki Colors of Youth Season 5, Your Passion, Your Way of Life. The function is about to start, so how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling little much excited. I'm thinking this is my new experience, first time in my college, first year. So I'm gaining new experience, so I will try to do my best.
Okay.
That's
And VJ Nikhil is coming, Perizad is coming.
Yes.
So are you excited to meet them?
Yes, I am very excited because I wanna meet them as a not judge, as a friend, as a celebrity. I wanna meet them.
I'm really excited about the competition. Like, I hadn't prepared much.
Okay. So VJ Nikhil is coming first time here. So are you excited to meet him?
Yeah, of course.
Have you seen any of his shows?
I had seen Splitsvilla and movies, and I'm really a great fan of MTV.
VJ Nikhil is coming today.
Okay.
So are you excited to meet
Yeah,
him?
sure. Even my teacher, his name was Nidosh Sopti. He went to MTV Rock On first season, and their judge was Nikhil Chanappa. So he's coming here, and I'm very excited.
And
about
Perizad is also coming today. So any strategy to impress her?
it. Guitars there.
What are you going to perform today?
Well, I'll be performing an instrumental guitar solo.
Okay. So who's your favorite singer?
I just mostly listen to bands, Metallica, Megadeth.
So for how long you have been playing guitar?
I've been playing for like 5 to 6 years now.
Okay. So it's your passion, your way of life.
Passion, and I've been doing it professionally too.
Okay.
Some recording and all.
Are you excited about today?
Yes, I'm very excited today.
So what are you going to perform?
I'm going to sing my own composition today. I've composed my song and soon I'm going to release it too.
All this commotion, emotion, run deep and social explosion. Time for failing from parents, just keep an open going, not taking nothing from no one. Keep my longers and breathing, keep kicking hours in the morning and taking names in the evening, leaving with that taste of swords when they curry their mouth. See, they can trigger me, they will never figure me out. Look at me now, I bet you probably sick of me now. And you mama, I'ma make you look so ridiculous now. Thank you.
Thank you so much and all the best today, Ulas. VJ Nikhil is coming for the first time, so are you excited to meet him?
Yeah, I'm very much excited.
Any winning strategy or any strategy how to impress your judges?
I'm going to give my full effort today, and let's see what will happen.
So what are you going to perform today? Singing, dancing?
Yeah, singing.
Singing?
Yeah,
So
solo.
can you sing a few lines for our audience?
It's a little bit funny, this feeling inside. I'm not one of those who can easily.
How are you feeling now?
I'm feeling very excited. Actually, I'm feeling a bit relaxed now. I was nervous before my performance, but now it went well and judges complimented me, so it was a great thing for me and I enjoyed it.
So sir, it's your first time here, so
Yes,
how are
it
you
is.
feeling today?
I'm feeling quite amazing because I landed, it was 18 degrees, it's quite warm in Mumbai, the weather is beautiful, and the campus I was just walking through, it's really, really nice.
Okay, so you have been associated with MTV for so long.
Very long.
And your first show was, I think, MTV Select.
Yes.
So how was your overall experience, your journey with MTV?
It's been quite nice, it's been a bit of a roller coaster, we've had some amazing high moments, we've had a few lows as well, but the entire journey has been fantastic because I've met so many people along the way.
So you followed your passion of becoming a VJ.
I wasn't really passionate about being a VJ.
Okay.
I just really like music and there was an opportunity to kind of work with music and it just kind of fell into place. I'm not crazy about DJing.
Okay. So if you were not a VJ, so
I'd be a bartender.
bartender?
Yes, I was actually going to join a company and be a bartender and travel around the world and make drinks for people.
Okay, that's very
That was after
interesting.
being an architect. So if I wasn't going to be a presenter on MTV or if I wasn't going to be a bartender, then I would have been an architect.
Have you seen the campus?
I just walked through it. I think your director was walking me through it and it looked really nice. It also helps that the weather's really, really nice in Chandigarh right now.
Sir, there are many talent shows in India, many other talent shows. So how MTV Colors of Youth is different from the rest?
Oh, we're not different, we're just the same. We're boring, we're uninspiring, we're actually rubbish.
No,
Yeah,
this is
really.
a lie, I think.
No. MTV, I mean, we make being rubbish really cool.
Oh, that's MTV.
Haven't you figured that out?
Any message for our students, for our CDC students?
There is one, which is never give up on your dreams and don't let anybody tell you that you can't succeed. But also look in the mirror and get a good grasp on what your own personality and your own strengths and weaknesses are.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, sir. Welcome to CTC Landra once again.
Always a pleasure to be here.
Ma'am,
What a
it's your
fantastic
second
campus.
time here, so
Yes.
how are you feeling?
Well, I feel great to be back. So when I was told we're back in Chandigarh and back at CGC, I was very, very excited because last year it was fantastic.
Which two things do you like the most about CTC Landra?
The campus, the environment is so
Okay.
positive and full of energy. There's youth, there's intelligence, there's space, there's beauty, and I think you have great faculty.
What are your expectations this year from CTC?
Well, my expectations are very, very high. So, what are my expectations this year? It's going to be hard to match last year. It was so amazing. So, I think even if we just match up to last year, it will be great. I'm super excited. I got to see so much of Bhangra the last time.
Yeah,
so
this year too we
yeah,
have
so
Bhangra.
I want to see that. I'm really excited.
That if you were not an actor, what career option would you choose and why?
So you know what, right now, I've taken a sabbatical from acting, and in fact, I run my own company. It's called Zorabian, and I head marketing in my company. So it's been 4 years where I'm creating a brand, and a retail brand at that. And we've got a pan-India presence, and it's very, very challenging, very exciting.
Congrats
And
for
so
that.
besides acting, I enjoy being an entrepreneur.
Ma'am, any message for our students?
Follow your dream, have fun, smile through the highs and the lows.
So friends, that was all for Maruti Suzuki Colors of Youth Season 5. Your passion, your way of life. So please follow your passion, follow your dreams and always keep smiling. And I, Jashan Gill, signing out from Chandigarh Group of Colleges, Landra. Thank you very much.